I have been in plenty of environments where the network looked fine at first glance, but once you started digging, you could tell it had been put together in pieces over the years. Nothing dramatic, just a lot of small decisions that never really lined up. So over time, I got in the habit of stepping back and rebuilding things with a clear plan. And that's exactly what we're doing here. We're going to spend the next several videos building this entire network together. Before we dive into configurations, I want to walk you through the roadmap, each objective, why we're doing it, and how every component ties into the larger architecture. Let's start with the LAN since it's the foundation everything else depends on. Our first goal is to give this environment clean segmentation and control, so we'll define our user VLANs and management VLANs and make sure both the access and distribution layers stay perfectly aligned on where those VLANs live. From there, we'll tie the access layer into the distribution layer using trunk links and assign the correct access VLANs to our endpoint interfaces. We'll also bundle the inter-distribution links into a layer 2 ether channel to keep things stable and give us some built-in redundancy. Once the switching layer is solid, we'll move into the gateway portion of the design. That means creating SVIs for each VLAN and configuring HSRP so clients always have a reliable, highly available default gateway. With that in place, we'll connect the distribution layer up to the core using dedicated point-to-point links. These links give us clean routing boundaries and predictable paths between layers. Finally, we'll bring up EIGRP in name mode and secure routing with authentication. Once this phase is complete, the LAN will be fully routed, redundant, and ready to interface with the broader network in WAN. Once the LAN is in good shape, we'll shift our attention out to the WAN, where all the inter-site communication and internet reachability comes together. We'll start by bringing up the point-to-point links between the core and branch edge routers, then enable EIGRP on those devices and secure the adjacencies using the same standards we applied inside the LAN. From there, we'll establish external BGP sessions between the branch routers and the ISP, giving each branch a clean, scalable path to the internet. With the underlay routing squared away, we'll build the overlay by creating a GRE tunnel between the branches. After we bring the tunnel online, we'll configure EIGRP across the GRE tunnel and verify that the routers form a stable neighborship through it. And to wrap things up, we'll secure that tunnel with IPsec encryption so all branch-to-branch traffic stays protected. By the end of this phase, the WAN will be fully routed, encrypted, and ready to support the rest of the network. At the end of this series, we'll run a full end-to-end validation to make sure everything behaves the way a well-designed network should. We'll confirm that workstations can reach the internet and that inter-branch communication is solid. If each of these checks pass, we will have successfully deployed a complete, resilient enterprise 3-tier architecture. Alright, now that you have the full game plan, the fun part starts, actually putting all of this together. In the next video, we'll start turning this lab sketch into a real network and you'll see how each step connects as we go. So get your lab fired up, grab whatever keeps you caffeinated, and when you're ready, jump into the next video. Let's get started.